Can we just have some real talk right now? We just spent over $400 at the grocery 3 days ago, and I look in the fridge today and there's like hardly any food to make meals. And I know that people are feeling this everywhere. Your dollar is not going as far, right? When you go to buy groceries, you're not able to buy as much, right? And you go to buy personal care products at Target, you're getting 3 things and it's costing you $50. Like, it's just crazy what's going on right now. But I have good news for you, okay? I have a way that you can save on your everyday products for your home, for your personal care, for all of these things, okay? So that you can save money on what you're already spending, number one. Number two, I have a way for you to earn income just by helping people to save money on these things and to share that with your network. And you can start bringing more income into your household, because it's really hard when the cost of everything is going up and your paycheck is staying the same. So the solution to that is to make more money. And I have a simple way for you to make more money. You can get paid up to twice a day, every day, and you can get started for less than a new pair of leggings, okay? You can get your affiliate links all set up and be ready to go, so you can start saving money on your everyday items so that you can start helping others save money on their everyday items. Because you know what? The way that we combat this whole inflation and crazy stuff is to support small business. And this is the way that we can do it. And this is a way that you can make more money from home as well. So if you're ready, just type below ready and I will send you information. We can get you started and get this thing rolling for you and really help your family and help you to help others too. So super excited and can't wait to work with you.